Hello and welcome to Mini Crafts for Little Hands. This week I'm going to show you how to make a lovely little owl. Here's two examples here. So let me show you what you're going to need. A pair of scissors, some glue stick, a pencil sharpener and some pencils. And what I've done is I've already sharpened lots of pencils. And I kept the little pencil shavings, the little wooden shavings, and that's what we're going to use to create the little feathers on the owl's tummy. Okay. So then the next thing, to make the rest of the owl, I wanted nice big eyes. So instead of using the little googly ones, I made my own. And I cut out two big circles from a piece of paper, just a plain piece of white paper, and then I just drew two big black eyes in there to give the owl nice big eyes. Then I want to give the owl a little beak. So I've got this foam paper, but you could use any paper at all and either painted orange, or if you have it in orange, even better. And I've cut out a little triangle shape for a beak. And then a bit of card. Now you can do any colour you want for your owl. We've got a pink one here, and we've got a brown one. And I think I'm just going to use grey this morning. So what I've done is I've cut out an owl's head shape there, which nearly the full owl, isn't it? So it's almost like a nice curve at the bottom, and then two pokey ears and flattish at the top. And that's it. We're ready to get started. So the first thing you want to do is probably to cut out your nice owl shape. And on that then, you want to stick your eyes. So I'm just going to put some glue from a glue stick at the top or on the underside of either eye, and then stick those down just at the top. So you can see there, it already looks quite owly. Then I want to stick on my beak. So I've already cut this out, nice little orange triangle. I'm going to put another little bit of glue on that, and then just stick that down as well. Then we have to fill all the feathers onto the owl's tummy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a nice big line of glue along the nice curve along the bottom of the owl's tummy. It'll look like a big smile. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these little pencil shavings and I'm going to stick these down like little feathers. And they just form the tummy of our owl. So we just stick all those down, okay? And I'm going to continue on the whole way around here. So I've got the whole way around. So the next thing I'm going to do is put another layer of glue just along here. And now I'm going to stick another layer of pencil shavings. And here we go, there's our lovely little owl. Please do share your little owls with us using the hashtag FEArtSchool. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!